Hey guys, this is Tim with Tim's Tech here, and today we're gonna be working on this Samsung Galaxy J3 phone. Got the back off and the battery out already. We're gonna do a screen replacement. As you can see, it's all smashed up. You can see little cracks in there. Cracks in the top is smashed up. I'm gonna do the screen replacement. Got that right here. Little tools for it. Got the adhesive here. Got the screen itself with the screen protector in there. And we'll come back when I have the screen off. Alright guys, we're back. Got the screen off. As much as the adhesive as I can from down here. The screen had a little breakage, but that's okay. That's the old screen there. The tape really helps because I don't have a whole lot of glass there. But this is what it looks like with it off. So, and that's where I'm going to plug in the new one. I'll have to put the adhesive on. There's the new one. It comes with the screen protector, which is nice. Just grab the adhesive and probably put that on. Probably put that on, test the screen. Hopefully it's going to work well. Sorry for the view here, trying to get situated. Put the old one in the box. There's the adhesive. Alright. Got the adhesive ready, got the new one ready here. And we're going to test that here shortly. I'll be right back. Alright guys, we got it plugged in. It's loading up right now. See what happens with it. Screen does come on though. And it's taking a little bit to load up because I had it apart. Pull the battery and try it again. It does come on. And there we go, it's loading up. Samsung. It doesn't have the Samsung up here, but that's okay. It's not important. What's important is that it's working. Sorry for the light glare. There you have it. Make sure the touchscreen's gonna work. It looks like it. Little interruption there. Should it turned off before I can get it. Sign in real quick. And there we go. Screen is working. And no cracks on the top, which is good. And we'll be back when I have it fully installed. Alright guys, we're back. The screen is installed. Not bad for a second phone I've ever done. Let's turn it on, make sure it's going to work. There you go, it's loading. Sorry for the shaky camera angles and stuff. I don't need how I got the screen off. Use my little heat gun here. Cheap $10 thing. Couple settings. is what it is from Amazon. Very useful. And there we have it. Touchscreen works. Touchscreen does work. The phone just takes a little bit to load, and that's okay. Go up. Touchscreen works. And that's it for this screen replacement. If y'all enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to Tim's Technology on YouTube. And we'll catch you in the next one.